Understanding Tree Maintenance, an English language guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of the phrase, tree maintenance. It's a common term you might hear, especially if you're interested in gardening, landscaping, or environmental conservation. Let's dive into what it means and how it's used in everyday English. Tree maintenance is a compound noun made up of two words, tree and maintenance. A tree is a tall plant with a trunk and branches. Maintenance refers to the act of keeping something in good condition. So, when we combine these words, tree maintenance involves activities to keep trees healthy and in good shape. Tree maintenance is crucial for several reasons. 1. Health of the trees. Regular maintenance helps in identifying diseases or pest problems early. 2. Safety. Overgrown or damaged trees can be hazardous. Proper maintenance ensures they don't pose a risk to people or property. 3. Aesthetics. Well-maintained trees enhance the beauty of landscapes. 4. Environmental impact. Healthy trees contribute positively to the environment by providing oxygen, improving air quality, and supporting wildlife. Some common tree maintenance activities include pruning, cutting away dead or overgrown branches; watering, providing sufficient water, especially for young trees; mulching, placing material around the tree base to retain moisture and prevent weed growth; fertilizing, adding nutrients to the soil to promote healthy growth; pest control, managing insects or diseases that may harm the tree. The frequency of tree maintenance depends on several factors like the type of tree, its age, and the local climate. Generally, it's a good idea to inspect trees regularly, at least once a year; prune annually, best done in late fall or winter when trees are dormant; water young trees weekly. Mature trees may require less frequent watering. We hope this video has helped you understand the concept of tree maintenance. It's a vital practice for the health of trees and our environment. Remember, maintaining trees is not just about beauty, it's about safety and ecological balance as well. Keep learning, keep exploring, and see you in our next video.